How's you guys? This is Benjamin Menezes back again with another video of mine. In today's video, we're going to speak about the massive Bitcoin scam that happened last night, to which India woke up to today. And this scam has not only, affected the middle class Bitcoin users, or you can say Bitcoin investors, or you can say the normal middle class people and their investment, but it has also affected the reputation, I'll say, of the top class people, like the world's richest person like Jeff Bezos, the world's second richest person Bill Gates, Michael Bloomberg, Joe Biden, and many of the reputed celebrities, Hollywood celebrities, I'll say, singers to that extent, and even to company accounts like Uber and Apple. So before moving forward, let's speak of what exactly is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is basically a cryptocurrency that is usually traded on an exchange called as the Bitcoin exchange, which allows and authorizes the buyer and the seller of the Bitcoin to actually buy and sell them, to transact, to trade them on the exchange. Bitcoins can be used, are mostly now used into European or mostly in the US, for purchase, or you can say for booking hotel rooms with Expedia, for purchasing Xbox games, as well as to purchase furniture on Overstock. So guys, moving forward to what happened last night is a couple, or you can say a group of hackers or scammers actually went and hacked the Twitter accounts of these great reputed celebrities or personalities, and they have actually posted messages like, it's been long, I have not given back to the society, and now I am giving back. For example, this is the message that had come on Bill Gates' Twitter account or Twitter handle, where it said that it's been long that I have not given back to the society, so now I am giving back. If you send me whatever amount you send me, I send you back the double of it. And that's how people, I feel many of the followers of these reputed people actually send them, and actually trusted the message and send them the money out there. But then, as usual, when they come to know it's a scam. But the worst and the negative point about Bitcoin is it cannot be reversed. It cannot be, if you have a bank account or a bank transaction, at least you can call the customer service and you can reverse the amount back. But with Bitcoin, remember guys, it is irreversible. Once it is done, it is done. There is no redo button, there is no undo button, or there is no cancel button. The only thing that a sender can do is verify. So guys, please do verify, in case in future if you're even sending Bitcoin to anybody, end of the day it's currency, end of the day it's your hard-earned money. You have worked, you have toiled towards it, so make sure you do not just send it. And if you're sending it, make sure that the account number and the transaction details are filled well. And guys, I would like to point out one thing over here, as well as I would like to bring into your reference or into your attention one thing, is that why will Bill Gates and why will Jeff Bezos ask you money, guys? Why will they ask you money? He's the richest person on the planet, Mr. Jeff Bezos. He's the second richest person on the planet, Mr. Bill Gates. I'll just take these two examples because they are one of the richest people on the planet. On the other end, Bill Gates is actually into charity work. He's actually doing good amount of charity work, not only in America but all over the world, with Melinda Gates Foundation. Why will he ask you money? Guys, it's high time. We need to actually, stand up and save ourselves, each one of us, from these scams that are happening. There are many a times there are bank scams where people tell you share your bank details. Please do not do that. Now it's come to Bitcoin. Please do not do that. It's your hard-earned money. Let's not do it. Let's not be negligent of our money. We have worked really very hard for it. So let's take care and safeguard it. I will not tell who is responsible and who is not, but it's high time that we need to take care of our cyber security. It has happened with social media sites quite many times, and now it's happened with Twitter. So Twitter should actually take care of the customer details as well as what is happening. And Bitcoin, I just don't understand the scammers, why are they doing this? And It's high time, guys. Scammers may do that, they'll keep doing that. What we have to do is we need to safeguard ourselves, and we need to safeguard our money. We need to be responsible of our money and not fall prey to such fraudulent and such devastating scams and hacks that are happening. And Twitter, you need to seriously take care of your customers and their security and their their details and what's happening on their accounts. That's all, guys, from my end. If I made some sense and I was logical, please do like and share this video, and please do let me know if there is something that I can change or improvise. I'm ready to take in suggestions by typing it into the comment section. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, you know what to do. Please do subscribe to my channel, and see you soon in my coming videos. Till then, take care and see you.